Welcome to IC Design Laboratory under Electronics Department. This lab is supervised by Assistant Engineer Mr. Muhammad Zakwan Saad. At any lab session, this lab can occupy a maximum of 20 students per session. During the experiment, students are divided into groups with 2 students per group being assigned to one lecturer. Similarly, this lab is equipped with safety and emergency kits, as well as the signage and safety procedures to guide the staff and students in the event of emergency. In 2016, FKE had bought 5 complete licenses of Synopsys EDA tools for IC design course. The Synopsys tool cover digital front-end, digital back-end, and full costume of the IC design flow. Since 2016, the Synopsys EDA tools has been fully utilized for our IC designs, ELE 556 and VLSI system design, ELE 614 course. In the ELE 556 course, students are exposed on the full costume IC designs from the schematic to the layout for basic digital logic gates such as inverter, NAND, NOR using Synopsys costume compiler. While in ELE 614 course, students are exposed on the semi-costume VLSI IC designs flow using Verilog compiler Synopsys VCS and Design Compiler DC for digital front-end flow and IC Compiler ICC for the digital back-end flow. In 2017, we received another 5 complete license of Synopsys tool from Mimos Sendirian Berhad. This collaborative donation program by Mimos is to ensure all students are well exposed on the high-end industry tools and to increase their competency in IC design field for industry readiness. The Synopsys EDA tools is well known and used by many of the semiconductor IC design industry for advanced chip design technologies, verifications, IP integrations, application security testing, and quality testing. Silvaco is the industry standard TCAD tools used in the learning and teaching of ELE 615 Semiconductor Fabrications Technology course. It provides virtual wafer fabrication experience for the students in this course. Students use this tool to fabricate semiconductor devices such as NMOS. In ELE 615, Silvaco is used for the tutorial, embedded lab, and mini project. These tools help students in understanding the semiconductor process fabrications of semiconductor device and integrated circuit. These tools have replaced costly wafer experiments with simulations to help process engineer in delivering shorter development cycles and higher yields. This is Altera DE2115 Development and Education Board. This board is a type of field programmable gate array FPGA which is used for digital design verifications and prototyping. In laboratory course EEE 535, the board is used for digital design hardware implementation. In the course, there are 2 lab modules that utilize this board. For the first module, students are required to design a digital circuit and hence implement their design circuit on this board. While for the second module, students are required to design a daytime running light LED using Verilog HDL code to be implemented on the same board. For both modules, slide switch are assigned as input and LED are assigned as output. This Altera DE2115 Development and Education Board really helps students in verifying their design and dealing with real hardware applications.